Did you know that while 84% of energy sector executives believe we're in an era of unprecedented change, only 21% feel confident in their ability to navigate the industry's complex future? The energy transition represents the biggest strategic challenge since the 1970s oil crisis. Organizations in the oil, gas, and petrochemicals sector face extraordinary challenges balancing operational excellence with sustainability demands. Many companies struggle to adapt their traditional leadership models to emerging market dynamics. Strategic decisions become increasingly complex as companies navigate environmental regulations, technological disruption, and shifting investor expectations. The industry's future demands a new breed of leaders who can think both technically and strategically. At the personal level, leaders find themselves challenged by competing priorities, maintaining profitable operations while driving sustainable transformation. Technical experts promoted to leadership positions often struggle to shift from operational to strategic thinking. Teams become fragmented as they try to balance short-term production goals with long-term sustainability objectives. This specialized program develops the unique leadership capabilities required for success in today's energy sector. Through industry-specific case studies and strategic simulations, participants learn to navigate complex market dynamics while driving organizational transformation. The program delivers crucial insights into energy transition leadership, stakeholder management, sustainable operations strategy, and digital transformation. Participants develop skills in scenario planning, risk management, and strategic decision-making specifically contextualized for the energy sector's unique challenges. Organizations witness enhanced capabilities in strategic foresight and execution. Decision-making becomes more nuanced, considering both immediate operational needs and long-term sustainability goals. Cross-functional collaboration improves as leaders develop a more comprehensive understanding of industry challenges. For participants, the impact is transformative. Leaders emerge with the confidence to drive change while maintaining operational excellence. Teams benefit from clearer strategic direction and better alignment between technical and business objectives, leading to more innovative and sustainable solutions. Position yourself at the forefront of industry transformation. Develop the strategic leadership capabilities needed to thrive in an evolving energy landscape. Register now to join the next generation of energy sector leaders who will shape the industry's sustainable future. Your journey to strategic energy leadership starts here.